Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet turtle, and I made it with an H hook for the shell and then G. The pattern is down below, and if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if this is too fast for you, you can place it in slow motion. There's a video for that, and if you're a beginner, there's a beginner's playlist for stitches down below as well in the description. If you want to make this smaller, you can stop the increased rounds, make it one less round. Also, you can go down on the hook size. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to start with the magic ring. If this is your first time, there's a link on how to do that below. I just wrap it around my fingers, grab the yarn, create a chain into it. Now I'm going to work 6 single crochet in this magic ring. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Continue until you have 6 all together. So you have all 6 all together, you're just going to pull it closed. And then slip stitch into the first stitch. And then you can use a stitch marker to keep track of all of your rounds. And each stitch around, you're going to work an increase of 2 single crochet for a total of 12. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then 2 into the next stitch, and then 2 into the next stitch, and then repeat that until you get back to the beginning and start using a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. And then in this round, work a single crochet and then 2 single crochet increase, and then a single crochet, and then 2 increase, repeat that around until you get back to the stitch marker. And then in this round, you're going to do 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase, then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase, work that until you get back to the stitch marker. In the next 2 rounds, you're just going to work single crochets around, no increases. If you want this shell of the turtle smaller, you can stop before this increased round to make it smaller. So work this for 2 rounds. Okay, after those 2 rounds, you're going to slip stitch. Then in each front loop, you're going to single crochet. So you have the 2 loops here, 1 and then 2. You're going to go right into this front one, so you can grab onto it later for the bottom part of the shell. So you're going to do your single crochet in all of those front loops, and then when you get back to that beginning, you'll slip stitch to make it even. So go right into only the front loop. Work that around in each stitch. And then work that all the way around. And then you're going to slip stitch and fasten off. Pull through. It's going to look like this. In this stitch here, you can just pull your yarn through and then slip stitch. So it makes it even. And then in the back loop, you did the front loop before, and then in this back loop here, just the back loop only, go into it and work your single crochets. So in all of the back loops, work your single crochet. Work that until you get back to the beginning, and then you'll slip stitch. It's going to look like this. It's going to start coming out. You're back at the beginning and you're going to slip stitch to keep it even. And then after that, you don't have to do any more slip stitches, and you need to keep track of your rounds with your stitch marker. And now we're going to do decreases to start closing it. This is the bottom of the shell. Going to work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then a decrease. You're going to insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops for a decrease. Then repeat that 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then a decrease again, and just repeat that until you get back to the beginning. 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, decrease until you get back to your stitch marker. Now work 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet together, decrease, and then 1 single crochet and then 2 together, decrease. Work that until you get back to the stitch marker. Now you can make sure you stuff it and work 2 single crochet together until you get back to the stitch marker. Work that all the way till you get to the stitch marker. Okay, you're back at the beginning with the stitch marker, and you can work another decrease, and then you're going to take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. And then slip stitch. Pull it through. And then weave in all of your ends to secure and to hide them. The top of the shell is going to look like this. Then we're going to add a head and some feet. You're going to create 4 legs. Do the magic ring, insert your hook, grab the yarn, do a chain 1 into it. You're going to work 5 single crochet. And then you're going to pull it closed, and then slip stitch into it, then you're just going to work a single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 5 single crochet. Work that until you get to the beginning of all 5. Then you're going to go back around and work single crochets around again for another 5 single crochets. So work that all the way around until you get to the beginning for 5 single crochet. And now you're going to slip stitch and fasten off. Make sure you make 4 of these. Okay, so this is for the head. You're going to yarn over, grab the yarn, create a chain 1, and then work 6 single crochet in the ring. And then you're going to pull it closed and then slip stitch, and then use your stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. Work 1 single crochet and then work 2 single crochet, and then work 1 single crochet, and then 2. Repeat that until you get to your stitch marker. Each stitch around, you're going to work 1 single crochet until you get back to the stitch marker. Work that until you get to the stitch marker. Now you're going to do 1 stitch and then create a decrease. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. And then just repeat that until you get to the stitch marker. Work your decrease after you do the 1 single crochet. Now on each stitch around, you're going to work 1 single crochet. You need to add your stuffing and add your eyes. Work that until you get to the stitch marker. Now you're going to slip stitch and pull through. Take your yarn needle and sew it closed. And then you can take your shell and attach it. So take parts of the head and parts of the body and attach it with your yarn and your yarn needle. Keep doing this. You might want to go around twice and secure it the best you can for the head. Now on the side here, you're going to insert the legs by sewing them. So you have one here, you can add one here, here, and then here. They'll come out on the sides. Just make sure you sew them in, attach it to the body, and attach it to the arm with your yarn needle and your yarn. You're going to want to leave a tail so you can do this. And just secure them the best you can. Go all the way around. You can go around twice to make sure they're really secure. To make a tail at the end here, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and then grab a hold of the yarn towards the center back here, and then you're going to slip stitch in and then do like a chain 1 and then pull it through. You don't want the tail to be too long. Then you're going to take your yarn needle and you're going to weave it in. You just want like a cute little short tail here. Then take your yarn needle and your yarn and just weave it in to disguise it and to hide it. Do that a few times. Take this one and then pull it through and do the same thing. So to hide it, I'm just going to pull it through on this side. Make sure it looks okay on this side, which it does. It's just a cute little tail. After all I did was a chain 1, yarned over, and pulled through to create that. Do that and hide your ends on the bottom side here. Hope you enjoyed this crochet turtle tutorial. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.